You have probably seen someone welding on some sort of steel structure in the past. Did you know that skilled welders are in high demand and they'll continue to be in the future? According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor and Statistics, welders and fabricators' average salary range to start is $16 to $26 per hour depending upon their skill level. Many welding students have aspired to and are now have their own business in the welding industry. Whether working for a company or for yourself, welding is a great career option. Hi, my name is Rick Marks. I am the Dean of Workforce Education and Economic Development at Cisco College. Here at Cisco College, we have 2 welding pathways to provide the instruction necessary to allow students to develop their welding techniques and learn the skills necessary to obtain employment. The first pathway can be completed in 9 months, and it is designed to provide you with the knowledge and skills necessary to obtain at least the entry level of employment and start your career in the welding industry. The second pathway can be completed in an additional 9 months, and it consists of the advanced training and skills needed for you to weld exotic metals. Our training is low cost and it leads to high paid, rewarding careers. We are currently enrolling for the fall semester, which begins August 22nd. If you'd like more information about welding or would like to come tour our welding facilities, please contact me at rick.marks@cisco.edu or call 325-794-4449. I'm looking forward to hearing from you.